A dull knife isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. Today I'm sharpening a cleaver using a 4-grit whetstone system, 400, 1000, 3000, and 8000. Preparing the stones first, soak the stones, about 15 minutes, or until the bubbles stop rising. That tells you the stone is fully saturated. We start with 400 grit. This is the repair stage. Hold the blade at about 15 to 20 degrees, sharpening motion. On the coarse stone, I use a push-pull motion, forward and back, working the edge work in sections if the blade is long, about 10 to 15 strokes per section, till you raise a burr from heel to tip, flip the blade, repeat the process on the other side. Then we move up to 1000 grit, same motion but lighter pressure. Now we're refining the edge. Next step, 3000 grit, one continuous stroke across the entire edge, light pressure, let the stone do the work. Final stage, 8000 grit, very light pressure. Here I switched to a smooth heel to tip sweeping motion. Slow, controlled passes. This isn't grinding anymore, this is polishing. Clean up, rinse the blade, dry it completely, rinse the stones with clean water, no soap, let them air dry fully before storing. Result, before sharpening, this cleaver crushed a tomato. After sharpening, clean slice, no tearing, no pressure. That's what sharp feels like.
This is the road. This is the journey. This is All the Road Eats. Forged in fire, fueled by flavor.